What's up YouTube, welcome back. I want to start by saying happy Mother's Day to all the beautiful mothers out there in the world. All the small things that you do not go unnoticed. Today I'm showing you guys how to make a yogurt that they sell at Mexican ice cream stores, La Michoacana. The yogurt is more on the thinner side and it's very simple to make. All you need is some Greek yogurt, some whole milk, some sweet condensed milk, and a little vanilla. And the rest is really up to you. You could add whatever kind of fruit you want to it, whatever kind of cereal you would like. So today I'm going to use bananas, apples, strawberries, and grapes. I'm going to use granola and I'm going to use coconut flakes. All right, let's get started. So today I'm using Greek yogurt. So my yogurt is plain, unflavored, and is made with whole milk. So the reason I'm using Greek yogurt is because I want to control how sweet I want to make my yogurt. Then I have some sweetened condensed milk. Here I got some vanilla bean paste and just some whole milk just to thin it out. So let's get started on our fruit prep. So to prep my apple, all I'm gonna do is cut it in half, put it on the flat side, cut it in half again, and then at a diagonal, I'm gonna remove the core. This is what you want. I'll do that for all my 4 pieces. Once my apples are nice and cored, I'm gonna put them on the flat side, and all I'm gonna do is cut them like that. I'm gonna give them a 90-degree turn, and then I'm gonna do little squares. So this is what we get, little bite-sized pieces of apple. I think apple is such a great addition to this yogurt, only because it gives you a great crunch. Next, I'm gonna work on my strawberries. So here, I'm just gonna pull on the leaves, make it nice and snug. That way, when I come in with my knife, I try not to take off too much of the flesh. Right now, strawberries are really expensive. We don't wanna waste any money. After that, really, you can slice them however you like. This is how I do it. I just go into little slices like this. I'll give it a 90-degree turn, and then down the middle. And to me, that's a good piece of strawberry. I'm gonna do this to all my berries. And this one's kind of big, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut it in thirds and flip it, and then again. Okay, got some strawberry pieces. The next step in our process is just to process our banana. So we're gonna cut a banana off, gonna peel it. Okay. I'm gonna leave this skin on as a sort of like a barrier. Then I'm just gonna go in little rounds. Okay, next our grapes are really easy because we don't have to do anything to them. I'm just gonna leave them home. Just gonna take them off the stem. Now that my fruit is all cut up, all I'm gonna do is mix it in a bowl so that when we pour our yogurt over it, everything's nice and mixed. Because one of the things that I don't like about when I get this yogurt at the ice cream stores is that they really just layer the fruit. They don't mix it. But I like to have a little bit of everything as I'm eating through the whole thing. This is why I mix the fruit beforehand. There you go. Let's get on to the yogurt. Okay, so let's move on to the yogurt. So this is really simple. All you're gonna do is mix everything together. And I'm gonna have the exact recipe in the description so you guys can replicate this perfectly at home. And this is enough for a pretty big batch. I'm gonna say enough for at least 10 people. So if you guys wanna make half the recipe, it scales down perfectly. Next time I'm gonna go in with my lechera, which is sweetened condensed milk. Remember that our yogurt is not sweetened at all. It's plain yogurt, so this is gonna act as a sugar. It's also gonna help thin it out a little bit. Give it a quick mix. Next, I'll go in with my vanilla. We're gonna go in with some whole milk. This is where you really get to control how thin or thick you want your yogurt. You really want this to be pourable, like a drinkable yogurt. All right, I actually had to switch to a bigger bowl because I was a little bit more than I thought I was gonna make. I'm gonna add some extra sugar because I just think it needs it. Again, sugar is very subjective. If you guys don't like it that sweet, you can just keep it out or just add less. It's ready, let's build. All right, so to build, I'm just gonna layer my fruit that we pre-mixed so you get a little bit of everything in each bite, and then just go on with some yogurt, some more fruit, some more yogurt. We're gonna finish it off with some granola for some extra crunch. Finally, some shredded coconut flakes. And then you guys could just garnish it with some extra berries just to make it look extra pretty. There it is. Super simple, super easy, really quick, and a very nice treat for all the special mothers out there. Okay guys, let's taste how this came out. Like I said, this is really, really simple to make, right? And these are my favorite fruits in this because, you know, the apple gives it crunch, the strawberry gives it tartness, the grapes are just a nice little fun bite, and the banana really gives it all that creaminess. On top of the granola and the coconut, which really just amplifies the flavor of everything. So, let's dig in. You know, for how simple this is to make, it really is a special treat. It only took around 10 to 15 minutes and it's so worth it for that special mother in your life. You know, and the way we mixed it up beforehand, that means I have a little bit of everything in each bite. It just makes the bite even better. But that's pretty much all I have for you guys today. Thank you very much if you stood all the way to the end and saw the video. A quick one today because I don't want to take your time. You guys are busy with your mothers today. Thank you so much for watching again. Peace out.